This is a 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning LARIAT SuperCrew, red over two-tone leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone, B&O audio, push button start, navigation, satellite radio, home link for your garage door, traction control, wireless cell phone charging, workstation, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, spray and bed liner as well. This vehicle is 100% electric, no gas needed, and like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.